everyone, my name is Anna Bean and I am on a mission. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to open up my mystery bag that I purchased from the happyplanner.com during the cyber sales. So look at this cute little decal they sent. I love that. I heard that some people got the wrong bag, that they ended up with a squad bag from the squad mystery bag. I was so glad I got the right one. Make your dreams happen. All right, now for the 6 sticker books. Let's see what is in here. All right, I can already tell by looking at it, I do not have this sticker book. I love the mini sticker books. I love using it in my big planner, my classic, my mini, all of them. I love little mini books. The mini stickers, but I also love the big and the classic. All right, so this is so much fun. Choose happy. Super cute. We'll do a quick little flip through. Some pretty florals, cute little coffee cup icons, hearts. I love hearts so much. Color palette's really pretty. Yeah, it's cute. Some nice quotes. Sorry about that with candy in the background. Super cute book. And one thing I love about the mini too is I love the square, just the square stickers. Love that. Okay, super cute. What's next? Squad goals. And I do not have this book either. And I know this is a super popular book among the Happy Planner crowd. Oh, look, some holiday, Christmas, super cute. Little angels. Oh, fall. That's cute, cute. Oh, that's so cute. This is a cute, cute book. So let me know, should I give this one away? Should I make this part of my giveaway for next month? Because December's giveaway is already underway. So I'll make sure and link how to enter my giveaways. I'll link it in the description because once you enter once, you're entered into all of them. You don't have to enter over and over again. Just stay subscribed to my email list. Budget, I have this book. Oh, the little money icon was cute. Oh, love the paper clips. Super cute. I don't think I've ever used this book. Oh, the cute little piggy with the savings. That's cute. Maybe we'll do a budget bundle one day. Okay, now let's see. 3 more to go. Happy illustrations. Absolutely love this book so much. Very, very cute book. Super duper cute book. Love the balloons. Oh, they're so cute. Cute, cute. Gold star quotes. I think I only have the little 5-pack of this one. I don't believe I have this book. Look how bright. Super bright. Oh, the little planners are way cute. Yeah, I'm going to have to keep this one. Oh, I love these. Oh, I'm in love with that page. This is a fantastic book. I love it. How fun. And some seasonal. Okay, super duper cute. And wellness. Do not have this book. Oops. You can already tell the colors are so pretty. Nice and soft. I love that turquoisey teal color. Well, this was super fun. I definitely think it was worth it. I want to say, I believe I paid $35 for the mystery bag. Let me know if you purchased one also. All right, well, thanks. That's really all I was going to do today. I have some more fun videos for you ready to do. So I pray that you have a wonderful day. I pray that your heart is happy, that you're calm, that you're just continuing to feed the garden of your mind, those positive affirmations, that you think good thoughts about yourself and replace any negative thoughts. I love you bunches and bunches, and please hit that subscribe button. It would make my heart so very happy. Seeing those numbers go up, it really truly is thrilling, and I appreciate you more than you could possibly know. Have a super blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.